Hello, welcoming you all back to a video lecture series on human resource management. In our previous videos, we have been discussing on a various video lecture series on operational decision making process, company law and corporate governance, and we were discussing about various managerial topics. And today in this video, we will be looking on to basics of a human resource management. What is human resource management? What are the activities and responsibilities that involves in a human resource department, and what will be the work of a human resource department, and what are the qualities that a person persists to become a human resource manager should pertain. We will be seeing all this in this video lecture series. So without any more delay, let's move on to today's video on introduction to human resource management. So in this introduction, we will be discussing what is the basics of human resource management. So moving on to the slide. So most of the management students who are pursuing MBA or BBA would be more fascinated on HRM, human resource management. So what is this human resource management? What are their activities? Why this particular industry or a particular field has that much of craze inside it? So we will be getting the answers for all this in the end of our lecture series of human resource management. So first and foremost, human resource management is a department that coordinates the organization as well as the people working in an environment. So it is a department that is functioning for the welfare of the workers in the organization. At the same time, it takes the organization policies towards their employees. At the same time, employees perception towards the employee. It acts as a mediator between the employer and employee, and performs the organization goals and objectives at the right time. So this human resource management process involves coordinating, managing and allocating of human capitals or employees who are the biggest assets of the organization in order to move towards the goal or objective of the organization. Obviously, every department or in every organization would have certain goals, objective of their own. So it is the most important activity of a human resource department to take that goal in a more appropriate way towards their employees, so that the works are done in a proper way and at the proper time. So any deviation from the employee side towards the goal may lead to the technical errors or some flaws in completing those tasks. So human resource department ensures the effectiveness of the performance of each and every employees. And in what way they ensure the effectiveness of the performance in the senses, by hiring the right person for the right work and allocating the work to the responsible persons based on their skills and abilities, and allocating the tasks based on the times and everything will be the main role of a human resource management. So the HRM focuses on investing in employees, ensuring their safety and well-being, at the same time managing all aspects of staffing, hiring and compensation and development of an organization. This term human resource management is the practice that covers many elements, including recruiting employees, onboarding process, payment process, performance appraisal process, and looking on to the benefits of the employees, training of the employees, retention, compliances, and creating new policies and employee relations and well-being inside the organization. So now looking on to the functions of human resource management. So HR departments acts as a mediator between the employer as well as employee, as we discussed priorly. So this acts as a mediator between the employer employee to ensure the smooth workflow and effective completion of all the tasks. So what would be the main functions of an human resource management to ensure the effectiveness of the work in the sense? So the main objectives of them are recruiting and hiring process. Most of obviously, whenever we ask someone what would be the role of a human resource department, the first answer that comes into everyone's mind is that recruitment and hiring. So it does not ends in recruitment and hiring itself, but it also have other various activities as well, such as training and development of employees, employer employee relations, looking on to a healthy employer employee relation, maintaining a good company culture, managing the employee benefits, creating a safe and secured work environment, and handling the disciplinary actions inside the organization. So in this lecture series we will be clearly discussing about these functions of a human resource management. So without any more delay, let's look on to the other functions in our next video. Thank you and see you all soon in the next video. Thank you.